Let's talk about something that sits right at the heart of your home's financial security. It's what we call a tale of two values, and understanding the difference could make all the difference in protecting your home. There are two main ways to look at what your home is worth: its market value and its rebuild cost. Market value is what a buyer would pay for your home and land. It's driven by location and the housing market. Rebuild cost, on the other hand, is what it would take to reconstruct your home from the ground up. Materials, labor, and craftsmanship included. Here's the thing, these two numbers often look nothing alike, but for your insurance, the number that truly matters is the rebuild cost. So how do insurers calculate that number? It starts with something called the Reconstruction Cost Estimator, or RCE for short. It looks at today's material and labor prices to determine what it would actually cost to rebuild your home as it stands. Not its resale value, not its tax value, but its true replacement cost. Every estimate starts with the basics: the home's square footage, year built, number of stories, foundation, and construction type. But square footage alone doesn't tell the full story. Two homes with the same size can vary a lot in value depending on their design and the quality of materials used. This is where the details make all the difference. Even small design or finish changes can have a big impact on cost. Two homes with the same square footage can vary greatly based on finish quality, and fixtures will cost much more to rebuild. The interior, exterior, architecture, and add-ons. Kitchens, decks, vaulted ceilings, finished basements. Every detail adds up. Once everything's entered, it's time for a gut check. The agent has to ask, does this final number make sense for this home and its location? That's what keeps the policy accurate and fair, because the right coverage depends on the right rebuild cost. That's why it's important to keep your home's details up to date. Protecting your asset means making sure your coverage truly reflects your home. Here's your action plan. Review your policy each year. Tell your agent about any renovations, ask how your reconstruction cost was calculated, and always make sure your coverage can rebuild your home if needed. So, is your home's protection blueprint truly accurate? If you're not sure, now's the perfect time to check. At FirstMark Insurance, we work for you, not the insurance companies. Because protecting what matters most starts with knowing what it's truly worth. Call FirstMark to learn more and hit subscribe for more helpful tips.